Hey, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to the Outlaw Performance Garage. How you doing? Nice to see you. It's been a while. Today we have something cool. So what we did was we have completed the 5-inch custom Outlaw intake. Come and check it out. Look at that thing. Man, that is sexy. And it goes all the way down to the fog light. This is a true 5-inch intake, made right here at the Outlaw Performance Garage. And then we went all the way down here to the upgrade. We're ready to step it up in horsepower. So when you look in here, what do you see that's missing? Look at the pulley system. Look down there. So right here we have a 2.45 Kongs pulley. We have a stock idler pulley. We have a stock tensioner pulley. And look down here. We have a stock crank pulley. That is factory. So we have the Kongs Performance Griptech 2.35 pulley, upper pulley. We have the METCO tensioner pulley. That's just basically for looks. I got that. I didn't want to leave that out. Then we have the idler pulley right here for better belt wrap by METCO, 100 millimeter. And right here we have the awesome, the amazing super damper from ATI for your 2014 ZL1 Camaro. It's lighter, it spins faster, it's more balanced, all the good stuff right here. That was a good one. And on top of that, we have added the DSX tuning 9.45 22% overdrive lower pulley. Look at that baby. Look at that thing. Man, is that a beauty or what? Man, that is badass. 22%, guys. And of course, with doing all of this gigantic pulley on the damper, we're going to need this relocating bracket by DSX Tuning, and this is going to move it, and we're going to install this today. Your intercooler brick, they're going to weld this to it to reinforce it from crushing, and this will be on the back side of that intercooler brick. So I'm going to take this to my homeboy Jason out of Ronan Park at RPM Engine and Motor, and he's gonna go ahead and do this for me and get it all welded up. So let's hit that 800 mark, and guess what, if we don't hit that 800 mark, start thinking more. Hey, what can we do? What can we do? I already know what we can do, but you just need this. So once we get that money in line, we will and decide to actually take this baby apart again, we're gonna make that happen. All right, guys, well, I was trying to crack all these bolts loose on these pulleys, and look at right here on the tensioner arm, I was loosening this bolt and it just snapped. I have no idea why it snapped. stock one, you can see how it moves the pulley at least an inch away from the first hole. So let's get this thing installed. Watch. We just pulled the broken bolt out, and this one came with its own supplied bolts, so that's good to go. And we have installed the DSX tuning relocating bracket along with their new idler pulley, 100 millimeter, looking good. And now we're going to move on to removing the supercharger. Now, one thing first, I just got off the phone with Kong's Performance, and they're going to send me a new pulley, a new 2.3, because the one that they sent me was the wrong one. So once we get that back, we're going to reinstall. So let's get going on taking this apart and getting it ready for sending it off to Jason to fix up the intercooler brick. All right, let's get going. Pressure here, and you kind of got to just work this out and wiggle it out, and it'll pop out. Okay, and now your intercooler brick is right here and ready to go. So what we're gonna have done at RPM Engine and Motor, Roner Park, Jason is going to weld. Let's see here, how's it go? I think right there, yeah, there you go. Gotta remove the gaskets, but so this plate will fall onto here. They tend to crush right here in this area under high boost conditions, and then water's probably going to spill out. Here we are going to take this plate and have it. Now you can